Thank you for joining me to do this cabbage loaf Jamaican style just for you.
Oh, hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl. Welcome to my kitchen.
All right, my whimsical family, I have all the ingredients. I have a jalapeno, I have hot pepper, I have garlic, I have a large onion, I have a medium cabbage, I have two carrots, I have a potato and some bell peppers, and I will grate it, squeeze, remove the excess juice, and then combine it in a large bowl. Thank you so much for making my channel your viewing choice. Remember to like, to share, to subscribe. Please comment. I invite you to do so. Tell me where you are watching from and what special dish will be a part of your Christmas dinner. I invite you to turn on your post notification and of course stay for the entire video, and remember to hit the like button. All right, family and friends, so as you can see, I am using the shredded part of the grater, or that's the largest holes in the grater, and that is to get some large enough pieces in order to make this cabbage loaf. While I'm doing this, I will share with you my dollop of spiritual nugget. Family and friends, I want you to bask in the joy of this season. In Luke chapter 1 and 2, it reminds us that we must rejoice because a Savior is born. Even the shepherd, they were joyous because of this occasion. After adding all the grated ingredients, I've added to that 2 finely chopped tomatoes and half of a bell pepper. It's time now to add our herbs and spices. I'm using about a teaspoon of Auntie Tabitha's herbs and spices. I'm using some paprika. I'm using some Creole season. Of course, some complete season. A pinch of salt, family and friends. I add some black pepper to this. I am adding some garlic salt. I'm adding some breadcrumbs, family and friends. Next, family and friends, I will add 2 egg whites, some fresh green thyme leaves, family and friends. This gives it a nice flavor. Then I will add to that about a quarter cup of oats and about 2 tablespoons of coconut powder. I thank you so much for staying with me for this video. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe if you have not already subscribed, and remember to share my video with your friends and encourage them too to subscribe. Thank you so much to my loyal viewers and subscribers who have stayed with me week after week throughout the year. I thank you so much. I love and appreciate your viewership. Have yourself a wonderful, joyous holiday. Next, family and friend, to a grease foil lined pan, I will add all the ingredients. I will use my spoon, family and friends, to make sure I compact it as nice and neatly as possible. Now, family and friends, it's time to stick it in the oven at 375 degrees for about 20 minutes. Now, look at this. Isn't this lovely? This certainly will make a wonderful addition to your Christmas dinner. After 20 minutes, I increase the temperature to 400 degrees for about 3 to 5 minutes, and just look at this good, nice golden brown. It's all done. It's once again another of my mother's favorite. From my pot, my kitchen to my daughter's table. Have yourself a wonderful holidays, and I'll see you next week.